Hi there, students. Condign, an adjective. This is an unusual word. Okay, this is normally used about punishments. It's an adjective, and it talks about a punishment that is suitable for a particular crime. So, for a justice system to be seen to be fair, it needs to give condign punishments, punishments that are suitable to the crime. If the punishment is not a condign punishment, then people will think that the justice system is unfair. I think very often in our society, when somebody is very wealthy, it's very rare that they get a condign punishment. Yeah, something that is suitable, that is fitting for a crime. He needs to pay a condign penalty for what he has done. It needs to be fitting. It needs to be deserved. Okay, so condign, this is a really formal word. Yeah, it's also pretty unusual. So when the punishment fits the crime, then it is condign. Yeah, I think I would only really use this for punishment. I suppose you might use it for other things. Yeah, the punishment must be condign. The condignity of the punishment needs to be appropriate. So a teacher needs to find condign punishments for the wrongdoing of his students, because if the punishments are too harsh, then everybody will think the teacher is just unfair. So, as I said, this is a very unusual word. It's a very formal word as well. I'd probably give it something like 8 in formality. So use it in a formal writing. I guess you could just about use it in a semi-formal writing as well. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, from condignus, con with, and dignus, dignity, worthy, befitting. So yeah, the punishment needs to be worthy of the crime. It needs to be appropriate, because if it's not, then, well, it's just going to be seen as unfair. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Condign.